Newly developed machines and advanced vehicles are pushing human limits further than ever before. Every single day, technology is quietly changing the way we build, move, and survive. But here's the real question. How far can these machines actually go? And more importantly, are we even close to their full potential? Welcome to Machines Visit. Today, we're diving into 9 of the most powerful and impressive machines you absolutely cannot ignore. Let's start with something that's quietly revolutionizing construction, the Winslet Glass Lifter GmbS. At first glance, it might seem like just another installation tool, but this machine is changing how modern buildings come to life. Designed with telescopic remote-controlled arm, it uses powerful vacuum suction pads capable of lifting up to 1,000 kilograms of glass with precision. And here's where it gets interesting. It doesn't just lift. It rotates glass panels up to 100 degrees in both directions, while also moving them horizontally and vertically without needing to reposition the entire machine. What once took multiple workers and high risk is now handled by a single, controlled system. But what happens when space becomes the biggest obstacle? That's where the RBG 2900 by Palazzini Industry, SBA, comes in. This isn't your typical crane. In fact, it's shockingly compact, just 730 millimeters wide and weighing around 2,600 kilograms. Yet despite its size, it packs serious power. With 4 articulated stabilizing legs, an 8.7-meter boom, and a hydraulic extension reaching up to 25 meters, this mini crane is built for tight, impossible spaces where traditional cranes simply fail. And the flexibility doesn't stop there. Operators can switch between a diesel engine for outdoor jobs and an electric motor for indoor environments, making it both practical and surprisingly efficient. Now imagine a machine that doesn't just survive extreme environments, but adapts to them. The BV206 with a pontoon system, developed from Scandinavian terrain technology, is built exactly for that. Originally based on the legendary Banvon 206, this machine is designed to conquer terrains most vehicles wouldn't even attempt. With multiple connected sections supported by advanced pontoon systems, it can operate on land, snow, mud, and even water. Each pontoon contributes significant flotation support, allowing the vehicle to maintain stability even in rough conditions. What makes it even more impressive is its ability to retract hydraulically, adjusting its structure for better speed and control while still being compact enough for road travel. It's not just a vehicle. It's survival engineering at its finest. But heavy-duty performance isn't limited to extreme terrain. Sometimes, precision is everything. That's where bridge inspection machines from Palfinger AG come into play. These units are trusted worldwide for inspection, maintenance, and repair work on bridges and infrastructure. Equipped with advanced electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic systems, they allow operators to safely access hard-to-reach areas using stable work platforms. Over the years, these machines have been mounted on railway, road, and dual-purpose vehicles, proving their reliability across industries. With a wide operational range and quick setup times, they don't just improve safety, they dramatically increase efficiency in critical maintenance tasks. And then comes a machine that looks simple, but hides serious engineering behind it. The mowers from Browninger GmbH are built for performance, durability, and operator comfort. At their core, these machines combine powerful engines with advanced hydraulic and electronic systems, creating a tool that feels effortless to control. Operators can choose from multiple engine configurations, all supported by modern battery and control systems. What stands out is the balance between power and usability, smooth operation, intelligent controls, and minimal physical strain. Add to that an LED control center that displays speed, direction, and system adjustments in real time, and you get a machine designed not just to work, but to work smart. Finally, if cleaning is a challenge, there's a machine that takes it to another level. The Ventrac HB580 Power Broom is engineered to handle everything from snow and leaves to dirt, gravel, and debris. Its unique frameless design allows it to sweep cleanly along edges, curves, and tight corners where traditional machines struggle. With full hydraulic control, operators can easily adjust the broom's direction, height, and rotation speed depending on the task. It's precise, adaptable, and surprisingly powerful for its size, turning what used to be time-consuming manual labor into a fast, controlled operation. The system is powered by an electric actuator that gives the operator full control without ever leaving the seat. Even the broom rotation can be reversed instantly. Something that sounds simple, but in real working conditions, it can save hours of effort. On top of that, Ventrac's compact tractor system allows attachments to be swapped quickly using a self-leveling mechanism. This ensures the broom always stays perfectly horizontal, no matter the terrain. It's the kind of detail most people overlook, but professionals rely on every day. Now think about this. Cleaning a beach. The Ventrac HB580 Power Broom is engineered to handle everything from snow and leaves to dirt, gravel, and debris. Its unique frameless design allows it to sweep cleanly along edges, curves, and tight corners where traditional machines struggle. With full hydraulic control, operators can easily adjust the broom's direction, height, and rotation speed depending on the task. It's precise, adaptable, and surprisingly powerful for its size, turning what used to be time-consuming manual labor into a fast, controlled operation. The system is powered by an electric actuator that gives the operator full control without ever leaving the seat. Even the broom rotation can be reversed instantly. Something that sounds simple, but in real working conditions, it can save hours of effort. On top of that, Ventrac's compact tractor system allows attachments to be swapped quickly using a self-leveling mechanism. This ensures the broom always stays perfectly horizontal, no matter the terrain. It's the kind of detail most people overlook, but professionals rely on every day. Now think about this. Cleaning a beach. It sounds easy, right? But in reality, removing tiny debris like cigarette butts, plastic fragments, or fine waste from sand is incredibly difficult. That's where the Cemex BC Beach Cleaner proves its worth. This machine is specifically designed to work on both wet and dry sand, filtering it layer by layer. It sifts through the sand, separates unwanted debris, and stores it in a high-capacity hopper. And here's the clever part. The entire disposal process is controlled hydraulically from inside the cabin. No manual unloading, no wasted time. The machine is also highly customizable, offering multiple screening sizes, depending on the type of waste being targeted. Whether it's fine particles or larger debris, it adapts easily. With adjustable working depths of up to 200 millimeters, it doesn't just clean the surface. It goes deeper where most machines fail. But versatility doesn't end with cleaning. The Green Deck Multi-Carrier HXF 3302 is another example of engineering focused on adaptability. Built to work with telehandlers, excavators, and wheel loaders, this attachment frame is designed to handle demanding industrial tasks without adding unnecessary complexity. As the largest model in its series, it integrates advanced features like an automatic hydraulic brakeback system and an anti-cavitation valve, both critical for maintaining stability and protecting the machine under pressure. Despite its capabilities, it remains surprisingly lightweight and easy to attach, which is exactly what operators need in fast-paced environments. It's not just about power anymore. It's about efficiency, precision, and control. And now, we end with something truly extreme. The Rosenbauer Panther, developed by Rosenbauer International AG, is not just a firefighting vehicle. It's a machine built for the most dangerous scenarios imaginable. Designed for industrial and airport use, it combines high-speed mobility with devastating firefighting capability. What makes it stand out is its ability to perform in environments where failure is not an option. With powerful off-road engineering and advanced extinguishing systems, it can respond rapidly across rough terrain while delivering massive firefighting output. Its modular design allows it to be customized for different operations, making it one of the most flexible emergency response vehicles in the world. In fact, machines like this are often considered among the most advanced firefighting solutions ever created. Not because they look impressive, but because they perform when everything else fails. And that brings us to the end. These were 9 of the most impressive machines you simply cannot ignore, each one solving a different problem. Each one quietly reshaping how work gets done around the world. So, what do you think? Are these machines helping humanity or slowly replacing it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because the future of machines is just getting started.